In this video, I'll share 10 key takeaways from Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins. 1. Financial literacy is essential. Robbins emphasizes that to master your financial life, you need to educate yourself about money and finance. This involves understanding concepts such as budgeting, investing, and saving. By improving your financial literacy, you can make more informed decisions and take control of your financial future. 2. Compound interest is a powerful tool. Robbins explains the concept of compound interest, where your money earns interest on the initial investment as well as on the accumulated interest. The key is to start early and let your investments grow over time. The longer your money is invested, the more it can compound and accelerate your wealth accumulation. 3. Diversification is key. Robbins stresses the importance of diversifying your investments. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, to reduce risk. By diversifying, you're not relying on the success or failure of a single investment and can potentially minimize losses and maximize returns. 4. Minimize fees and expenses. Robbins highlights the impact of fees and expenses on your investment returns. High fees can significantly eat into your earnings over time. He recommends being mindful of the fees associated with investment vehicles such as mutual funds or retirement accounts and opting for low-cost options whenever possible. 5. Plan for a rainy day. Robbins advises building an emergency fund to handle unexpected events. He suggests saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid account, such as a savings account, so that you can meet financial obligations without relying on debt or being forced to sell investments at unfavorable times. 6. Take a long-term perspective. Robbins emphasizes the importance of staying invested for the long term. Trying to time the market or chasing short-term gains can lead to poor investment decisions. Instead, he advocates for a disciplined approach and encourages readers to focus on long-term goals, staying committed to their investment strategies, and being patient with their investments. 7. Understand your risk tolerance. Robbins suggests assessing your risk tolerance before making investment decisions. Risk tolerance refers to your comfort level with market volatility and potential losses. By understanding your risk tolerance, you can align your investment strategy accordingly and create a balanced portfolio that suits your individual circumstances. 8. Automate your savings and investments. Robbins recommends setting up automatic contributions to your savings and investment accounts. By automating your finances, you ensure that a portion of your income is consistently allocated towards savings and investments. This approach removes the temptation to spend the money before saving or investing it. 9. Seek professional advice, but be cautious. Robbins advises seeking advice from qualified financial professionals who have a fiduciary duty to act in your best interest. It's important to understand their fees and potential conflicts of interest. Additionally, Robbins encourages readers to do their own due diligence and take an active role in managing their finances. 10. Give back and find fulfillment. While the book focuses on wealth creation, Robbins highlights the importance of giving back and finding fulfillment beyond money. He encourages readers to contribute to causes they believe in and make a positive impact on society. By finding fulfillment in helping others, you can achieve a more well-rounded and meaningful life. These key takeaways cover important aspects of personal finance, investing, and mindset that Tony Robbins discusses in the book. By implementing these principles, you can enhance your financial knowledge, make better financial decisions, and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.